Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can bring back deleted photos on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So let's say you deleted some photos and you deleted a few by accident and you didn't want them to be deleted and you didn't want them to be deleted originally and you now want to bring them back. That is possible, and you need to go to your gallery, and here we have some photos, and let's say we delete some of them. And now we say delete, move to recycling bin, and now we detect that we accidentally deleted too many pictures, and we then need to go to these three little dots here and then go to your recycle bin, and here we then have our photos. Pictures and videos deleted from gallery, my files and some third-party apps stay in the recycling bin for 30 days before being deleted. So you have 30 days to get your photos back, and what we do now is we say edit, we choose the pictures that we want to bring back, and then we say restore, and now we can go back and then the pictures are back in our gallery. So that's how you can restore pictures on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.